Welcome to how to automatically change the text color of a cell in Excel according to a certain condition. For example, I have two states, good and bad. If the cell is good, it automatically turns green. And vice versa, if the cell is bad, it automatically turns red. You follow these steps to change the text color to green when the text is good. Format. Fill. I recommend you set the color manually because it looks better. More colors. Custom. Red. 198. Green. 239. Blue. 206. 198. 239. 206. Font. Color. More colors. Custom. Red. 0. Green. 97. Blue. 0. 0. 97. 0. OK. OK. Finished formatting the cell containing the text as good. Next are the cells containing the text as bad. They are red. Create a new rule. Format only cells that contain specific text. Containing bad. Format. Same steps as last time, just different color format. Font. Color. More colors. Custom. Red. 156. Green. 0. Blue. 6. 156. 0. 6. Fill. More colors. Custom. Red. 255. Green. 199. Blue. 206. 255. 199. 206. OK. Thanks for watching. Good luck.